Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound or audio glitches in Minecraft. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to fix them, so follow along to fix this problem for you. Just before we begin, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions during the video. Subscribe to the channel with all notifications on and like the video and if it helped you. So let's get straight to the video. No sound, crackling audio or glitch sounds in Minecraft. Follow these steps to fix this problem. The first thing that we need to check, go ahead and close out your Minecraft entirely. Right click on your sound right over here and click open volume mixer. And make sure that Minecraft is not muted, okay? Check your keyboard volume keys, simple but often overlooked. And the next thing that we need to check is right over here, is basically open options on your Minecraft, music and sounds, and make sure all volume sliders are turned up. Check that mute is off. Set everything at least to 50 to 100%. So I made a image here so you can go ahead and follow along without any confusion. So step 3, right over here, select correct audio device. To do that, just go ahead and right click on your sound once more. Click on sounds. And over here, go ahead and go to your playback and make sure your earphones or headphones is set to the default device of your computer. So basically just go ahead and click on it and set default and click apply and then OK. Next thing is updating audio drivers. Outdated drivers can cause audio problems. Update your audio drivers from device manager or your motherboard's laptop device or website. Restart your PC after updating so it will be followed through. Basically checking sample rate and bit depth can fix any sound issues. So basically, once more, go ahead and right click on your sounds, click on it, go to your playback, right click, properties, over here on spatial audio or advanced, right over here, default format. Sometimes lowering it down or changing the channel to 20 lower bit fix the problem. Just go ahead and test, and if you hear it, it should be fixed. Restart your game and it should be fixed. And this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these are all optionals. Since these are all disable all enhancement on your device, sometimes this does not appear since you don't have our modded or any custom headset or earphones on your game. This is actually not optional, sorry about that. Just go ahead and check lower and raise volumes again, turn it off for about a few seconds and turn it up back again, and it should be fixed. And sometimes mod can or resource pack conflicts with the mods, and sometimes actually with like servers or multiplayers, it causes issues with crackling audio or no sound at all. Sometimes you go ahead and test in new worlds to see if the audio is actually on your game or basically just the mods or the servers as well. And lastly, just go ahead and reinstall your Minecraft or repair Minecraft if none of these work. So guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.